I'll be showing you the top sticky cart apps available for your Shopify store. Let's dive into our first one here. This one's called Uplinky Sticky Cart. So you can show the add to cart buttons on your product pages, which should help increase sale and reduce abandonment. It's going to make it very easy for the customer to understand what's next. This app allows for quick and easy setup in seconds, no coding or JavaScript needed. You're going to get customization on the style of your button, and it's going to match your theme perfectly. See different banners such as the buy now button, normal add to cart, and it's going to stay here as a sticky add to cart button as they scroll through the page. So you can customize the colors, text, call to action, and location. You can also set it to go to checkout directly. The Pro plan is also going to include countdown timers, product photos, price anchors, and variants. We can see all these can be added to the sticky add to cart button. In terms of pricing, there is a completely free plan that has a fully automatic one-click install. It's going to be mobile and desktop responsive. And for the Pro plan, you do get those high converting templates, countdown timers, variants, anchors, direct to checkout, as well as expert reporting. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.8 stars with 200 5-star reviews. Let's take a look at our next app here. This one is going to be completely free. And again, it's going to be a sticky add to cart bar. You can add it to product pages and the checkout pages. You can also allow it to skip the cart directly, and it is a one-click install. We can see here as the customer is scrolling through their page, they're going to have a sticky cart bar on the top. In terms of reviews, it has a perfect 5-star rating with 8 5-star reviews. For our third app, let's take a look at SEO Ant's sticky add to cart. Here you're going to get quite a bit of customization on the sticky cart bar. And we can see the different previews here from mobile having variant options here, as well as the add to cart having just a straight add to cart button, and again having more variant options. And you can customize the quick buy button to make it easy for the customer to buy multiple versions. Again, it's going to be a one-click install. You can also have a countdown timer to increase urgency and conversions. And it's going to be fully customizable to match your store's theme. There is a completely free plan with 25 clicks. You're going to get that sticky add to cart bar. As you move up in price, you're going to pay for based on the number of clicks, and at the large plan, you get unlimited clicks there. In terms of reviews, it's sending in an excellent 4.9 stars with 240 5-star reviews. Let's take a look at our final app here. This one's Sticky Add to Cart Booster Pro. So you can reduce abandoned carts and make it easy for the customer to check out. Also going to have a floating bar, a sticky cart, a quick buy button, and a cart slider. So we can see here our sticky add to cart button with different seasonal themes. They're going to have quick buy icons available on the collection pages. It's going to make it easy to check out on mobile. You can also have a floating cart icon, making it easier for the customer to find their cart. In terms of pricing, this one's going to start at $8.99 a month, and it's going to be based on your Shopify plan. If you're on Shopify Plus, it's going to be $39.99. In terms of reviews, it's sitting at an excellent 4.9 stars with 1.4 thousand 5-star reviews. Before I go, I want to say that if you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much money you've actually made. That's where our sponsor Profit Calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. All you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time calculations. You can understand how your business is actually performing. It's going to sync seamlessly with your different ad accounts from Facebook, Google, Bing, Snapchat, Pinterest, and TikTok, as well as giving you a ton of different cost and analytic metrics so you can make better decisions. You can find it in the Shopify App Store by searching for Profit Calc and then looking for this logo in the top left. There's also a link in the description below where you can access the Shopify app listing directly. You can get a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. So this concludes the video on the top sticky cart apps available for your Shopify store. If you enjoyed the video, I would love it so much if you hit that like and subscribe button below. And if you have any questions, leave a comment. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in our next video.